Good evening, everybody, and welcome to all the stars of Illuminous Galaxy of Education on an evening that promises us inspiration and new learning. We have assembled here to commemorate Dr. K.R. Shroff, a revered educationist and above all, a humanist. On the occasion of 5th Dr. K.R. Shroff Memorial Lecture, let me introduce to you Calorix, a name to reckon with innovativeness and unique practices. Calorix is a group dedicated to the cause of education for the past 2 decades. It is a name synonymous with education par excellence. The endeavor of Calorix is to reach out to each and every segment of society, to cater to their varied educational needs, and to make available a holistic development platform for the student fraternity. From preschools to university, the journey has been long, but quite accomplishing. Calorix successfully runs 40+ institutions across India and UAE. Calorix Teachers University has become a part of this illustrious journey from 5th September 2009 with a strong commitment towards excellence in research and innovative practices in higher education. Calorix Teachers University is a state-private university established by State Legislative of Gujarat, Act No. 8 of year 2009, and is recognized by University Grants Commission. The core of the university is an incessant quest for diversity of practices and creating scholars with global standards and skills. Calorix Teachers University is an institution of Calorix, which has a distinguished record in education. The university envisages developing a genre of multifaceted professionals who will not only excel in their fields, but also facilitate, counsel, empathize, and guide the future generations of the country by using the latest technology innovatively and creatively. CTU has been networking with temples of learning, both in India and abroad, to train professionals par excellence. In the short time since inception, Calorix Teachers University has maintained high academic standards. It is Calorix Teacher University's endeavor to create a talent pool of enlightened professionals capable of revitalizing the educational, economic, financial, and social scenario in India. CTU has signed MOUs with the University of West Georgia, Academy of Human Resource Development Ahmedabad, International University Network Germany, Bhaskaracharya Institute for Space Applications and Geoinformatics, Gandhinagar, Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Gujarat Technological University Ahmedabad, SCOPE, that is the Society for Creation of Opportunity Through Proficiency in English, Gandhinagar, Cape Breton University, Canada, and the University of Prince Edward Island, Canada. Let's begin today's function with welcoming our respected dignitaries. Let's join our hands to welcome Honorable Guruji Sri Narayana. I also welcome the President of Calorix Teachers University, Professor Rupa Shah, Board members Mrs. Manjula Pooja Shroff, Mr. Hiten Vasant, and all the other honorable dignitaries. I request Dr. Rupa Shah, President of Calorix Teachers University, to deliver the welcome note. Professor Rupa Shah is former Vice Chancellor of SNDT Mumbai, who is a visionary, great academician, and even greater administrator and leader. She has won a number of awards from her college days, like Dr. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Suvarna Mahila Shri Ratna Award in 2005, Indian Business and Professional Council Award for Outstanding Professionalism in Education, All India Bharat Nirman Talented Ladies Award in 1999 in the field of education, Priyadarshini Academy's National Award for Outstanding Contribution in the field of education, and many more. She is currently a member of several academic and professional bodies. Some of them are Court Member of Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi, Member of Governing Board, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Governing Board Member of Vishwa Bharati Tagore University, Senate Member of Northeastern Hill University, and Board of Governors, the ICFI University, and many, many more. Ma'am, may I please request you to please deliver the welcome note.
First and foremost, I offer my pranams to Shri Guruji. Okay. Welcome is supposed to be a very simple situation. You say the word thank you, we welcome all of you all, and that's the end of it. But I don't think I want to do that today. Welcoming all of you all. To begin with, Guruji, of course, who needs no introduction, but I think we want to, from Calorex, thank him profusely, because we had a mini tsunami yesterday evening when we heard that our speaker was unable to make it due to some medical emergencies. And literally 24 hours later, the function continues, and dear Guruji so honorably agreed. I don't think he even agreed. He gave a very nice simile to me half an hour ago. He said, do you know what G-O-D means? I said, I think everybody has the same connotation for G-O-D. He says, no, no, no. G are goals. D is destiny. And O is obstructions and opportunity. He says, when you begin with your goal, that you're going to find someone, you had obstruction, and then you overcame it, and then you changed destiny, where your goal of getting someone, continuing the function, and destiny weighed down. Otherwise, destiny had all obstructions for you. So I think you're all here because of G-O-D. And I think the raison d'etre is, of course, Guruji, for this absolutely... But this must be said. Shall I close it? We do think of the father of Calorex and the raison d'etre of this program, that is Dr. K.R. Shroff's memorial lecture. We are here to commemorate all the goodnesses that he has bestowed onto the world here, all the forethought, farsight and insight that he had to do here. And I think our silent regards will somewhere, somehow, find him and travel up to him today. Then, of course, when you don't have one, you try and locate the next one. So I think we must have Mr. Pratul Bhai Shroff as the junior KR and his sister. But sir, we do welcome you, and we're very happy you're amidst us, because without you, we cannot have Dr. Shroff down. But I think you are the embodiment of your father, and we're very happy to have you amidst us once more. And after her, it's difficult to describe some people, you know. Because the chairperson of Calorex Education and Research Foundation doesn't have one facet. Diamonds have many facets, but you can see them, you can count them, you can do them, do away with the faceting. But here there's no facet which needs to be brushed up, that needs to be polished more. And that is none other than, some of you, of course, you feel that, no, this is not too much. मैं मस्का नहीं लगा रही हूँ, promise. I honestly feel that I've seen Pooja in operation, I've seen her at meetings, and I think I really saw her in action 24 hours ago, where she made the GOD come true. So, Pooja, we're happy that you're with us, and as chairperson, you're heading all of us put together. We have Mr. Hiten Vasant. He, with all his seriousness in life, with all his responsibilities, and particularly farming is becoming very, very close to his heart, if it hasn't already entered his heart. He is the director of Calorex Education and Research Foundation, and Hiten Bhai was introduced to me first on a third-party basis. That, I have a friend and he's very nice and blah, blah, blah. And that was my cousin who talked about him. And then I came, and now my accusation is to my cousin that he talked very little about the man. The man has lots to contribute and give. So, sir, we're very happy you're with us, amidst us, and literally directing the Education and the Research Foundation. And of course, the Malik. Don't say, hey, what happened to K.R. Shroff or what happened to Pratul Bhai. All registrars of universities the world over are Maliks of the university, because at the convocation, they take the stump right through, lead the procession. So the Malik is none other than dear Dr. Shailendra Gupta. Shailendra, what you really need is a seat to sit and a little wink, because he was so worried. So he said, "Ho to gaya hai, but haan to bola hai, but oh my God, you should have heard Shailendra yesterday." That was the first time I heard someone in true stress. But then, a little time later, he said, "Nee, madam, abhi sab, peace prevailed, there were no stormy seas, nothing at all, and we're all here. So, Shailendra, a good job, well done. My compliments to you." Guruji, आपके लिए हमें एक ही चीज कहनी है. The title that the previous speaker had taken was on river rejuvenation, and we're grateful to you to continue that by getting us to make our life like a river. And sir, I think the auditorium is full of sea of people who are waiting for the rivers to join the sea. And we would like to be inundated by furthering your GOD concept. And of course, he's also given a DOG concept, which maybe he will reveal it himself. So, this, I think, and how can one forget the body that builds Calorex? That's where I belong, to be a teacher. The faculty that teaches. So, to all our teaching members, principals, heads of department, directors, and all of you good people who have taken Calorex to this height, to this pride-coveted height. I won't just say taken it to heights. So my compliments to all of you, all the guests who have come here. We're glad to have you amidst us. And I must also say that the family members of the Shroff family are also here, and we would want to welcome all of you all. We wouldn't like to forget you, because it's because of you all that ame ujada chiye. Had not there been a Dr. K.R. Shroff, had there not been his son and all you family members, and we include Madam also, but daughters-in-law always come later. But sometimes they come in later and then they shoot off like a star. So friends, I hope This evening is a nice, well-spent evening for all of us. And as I said, sir, we're all inundated, waiting to be inundated by what you have to say. We welcome Guruji, and with all our heart, we await your good words, sir. Thank you.
The quality of a leader is reflected by the standards they set for themselves. Benchmarking and setting high standards, we have amongst us our adorable leader, Mrs. Manjula Pooja Shroff, an edupreneur. She is regarded by many as the change agent for schooling in the state of Gujarat. As CEO of Calorex, she has been instrumental in founding and managing several premier schools. Ma'am, may I please request you to introduce Dr. K.R. Shroff Memorial Lecture. Thank you.
So nice to see this hall by none other than Guruji. About 3-4 years ago, I don't know how many of you in this room were present, we had a leadership training. It was like a half-day training where the second level people of Calorex, we went through a half-day training with Guruji to come up with a leadership statement and a vision statement for Calorex. So we are all familiar with his work, and it was extremely inspiring and motivating about 3 years ago. So I personally look forward to your talk. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate the fact that you've taken your valuable time off to be here with us this evening on a working day. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Today we are privileged to have amongst us Guruji G. Narayana, Chairman of Companies, Company Director, Corporate and Business Contributor, a path-making author, trainer and spiritual teacher. Important line, I think, which I don't want to miss is, he was invited to speak at the Vision 2000 conference at Washington and Chicago commemorating Swami Vivekananda's speech at Chicago in 1893. The Vivekananda speech was in 1893. He was invited there in the conference to commemorate that occasion. And his philosophy in life is to serve and deserve, win-win, trust and agreement, and optimal solutions. So I request Honorable Guruji to please deliver 5th K.R. Shroff Memorial Lecture on Be a River in Life. Please, sir.
Namaste. Pranams to elders. First to Dr. K.R. Shroff, the foundation. He deserves our respect, honor and remembrance. So let us give a big hand to him. I put off both the mobiles. दोनों मोबाइल बंद कर दिया मैं. सब लोग साइलेंट मत रखो, बंद करो. 45 मिनट्स के लिए बंद करो. कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, सब अच्छा होने वाला है, क्योंकि आप लोग इधर है. और बाहर जो रह गया वो आपसे अच्छा करेगा. और कुछ इमरजेंसी है तो इधर बाकी आएंगे. डोंट वरी. Goodwill to colleagues. All are there. Praful Bhai is there. Praful Bhai, इधर आइए. आइए. No, आइए. माइक दो. Say few words. कभी बोलता नहीं, अभी आज छोड़ेगा नहीं.
So this is going to add another 5 minutes.
Don't worry.
And we are running late by another 10
No,
minutes.
I will cover it up.
So good evening, everyone.